Hello student, in last lecture we start our fifth unit, that is the advanced surveying equipment. In that we study first that is the digital theodolite or 1 second micro-optic theodolite. In that we study the component parts of theodolite, then the function of that, then the settings which we can carry for measuring the horizontal and the vertical angle. Now we study the next instrument, that is the electronic distance. This is the electronic distance meter. As in a conventionally we use the tape or chain for measuring the distance between the 2 points, but in some cases there is a difficulty to measure the distance using a tape in a hilly region. In that case we have to use electronic distance meter. The electronic distance meter are the more effective or preferably used in a surveying. The least count of the EDM, that is the electronic distance meter, is 1 mm, and the electronic distance measuring instrument have been recently developed which having a very high accuracy and quick work in a distance measurement. That means the electronic distance meter is used when we have to carry out the work with a high precision or with a high accuracy or in a least time. Then we see the various types of electronic distance meter. There are the five types of electronic distance meter. The first one is telescope mounted instrument. In the telescope mounted instrument, the line of sight of theodolite and electronic distance meter are parallel to each other. Then next one is total station. In that, the electronic distance meter and the digital theodolite build as a one unit and the output is in a digital form. Then third type is EDM based on range. In that there are again they are classified in three types. The first one is a short range EDM, then second one medium range EDM and long range EDM. Now we see what is meant by short range, medium range and the long range EDM. The firstly we study short range EDM. In this EDM is used to measure the distance up to the 5 km and which is used the infrared light as a signal. In medium range EDM is used to measure the distance up to 100 km and this can be used as microwaves. Then third, that is the long range EDM is used to measure the distance up to or greater than the 100 km and in that the radio waves are used as a signal. Then next fourth type is distromat. Then distromat is a one of the variety of electronic distance meter which uses the infrared light as a wave. Then next one is the jodimeter. Then this type of instrument emits the waves and modulated the pulse of light from tungsten filament are returned by the reflector having a prism at the other end. Then and these can be used to measure the distance up to the 25 km. Now we see the principles of EDM. That means in that we study how the actually EDM works, and this can be explained with the help of figure. Let's consider the first, that is the first point is P, and there P where we can place an EDM, and there is a second point that is Q, and we have to calculate the distance between P and Q. Then from the station P, that is where we place the EDM, the wave is transmitted from the transmitter at the station P with a certain angle. Here we can see the wave is transmitted with a certain angle. There is a reflector. Here we place a reflector at the other end of Q and the reflector consists of prism. That means here at the point of Q we place a reflector, and the wave is travel from P at a certain angle and it reach up to the point Q. Then due to the prism or reflector, they are reflected at Q, and then they gets reflected from Q. It receives back to the transmitter at the end P with a different phase angle. That means at station point P the wave is travel, and at station point Q where we place a reflector, the wave is then the wave is reflected back from the station point Q with a certain phase angle. Then for finding out the distance, the difference between these two phase angle, that means the phase difference between the transmitted wave and the phase difference between the reflected wave is measured and converted into the distance. Then next point is the component parts of EDM. Then in the figure we see the various parts of the EDM. Then first one is the leveling head. The leveling head, it makes the line of collimation of LCD display horizontal. That means leveling head is used to make the display horizontal. Then there is a component part. It is used for a control panel. It is used for measure the angle or a distance of various type of different mode. Then next component part is horizontal clamp and tangent screw. It is used for aiming at the required horizontal angle. Then next one is vertical clamp and tangent screw. It operated for getting the inclined distance or the angle. That means where we have to calculate the inclined angle, or to find out the inclined angle, we use the vertical clamp and tangent screw, and the horizontal clamp and tangent screw is used when we have to calculate the horizontal distance. Then next one is aiming telescope. The observer or the surveyor aims the target station or prism through the telescope. Now we see the practical applications of the EDM. The first one, it is used to measure the vertical distances more accurately. Then next, it is also used for measuring the vertical distance. It is also used for measuring the slope distance or the volume of stack. Then it is used to fixing the alignment of railway, roadway or the canal. Or EDM is used to measure the distance of remote point where the chain or tape is not possible. That means in hilly region. It can be used for the cross verification of already measured the distance by using a chain or tape.